Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am doing Jamaican rice and peas, or as some Caribbean country will call it, peas and rice. Yes, so if you are interested, stay tuned and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you have not already subscribed. So the first thing you want to do is wash your peas, and I'm using these small beans that I got in Walmart. Some people like to use the bigger ones, but this is what I'll be using today. I'm just going to wash it to remove all the impurities from it. So as you can see here, I'm starting off with a tablespoon of salt to half pot of water. You may need more salt or you may not. It depends on the amount of rice you'll be cooking. And as soon as it starts to boil, I'm going to add some more cold water on it to help to sink the peas, since I'm not using a pressure cooker. So to make life easy, you can go ahead and use this coconut milk, but I like to use the original coconut, and I found it in Walmart, so that's what I'll be using today. So I'm just going to cut it up and blend it to get the milk from it. So once your peas is fully cooked, it's time to add your rice. So before you do that, you want to make sure that your pot is fully flavored. It's not missing anything. It's not missing any salt, or check to see if it have too much salt and stuff like that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and If you still haven't subscribed us yet, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.